What's up guys, I'm gonna show you how to get a high score in Block Blast in today's video, so make sure to stay till the end and not miss any step. So, to achieve a high score in Block Blast, effective strategies are crucial. Start by taking your time to plan your moves. Analyze the board to identify potential combos and chain reactions instead of rushing your decisions. Focus on creating larger matches, 4 or more blocks at once to generate special blocks and power-ups that can clear more space. Second, utilize power-ups. Save them for tougher levels or combine them for maximum effect. Always prioritize completing level objectives, whether it's clearing specific block types or reaching a target score. Third, clearing blocks from the bottom of the board. This can trigger cascading effects, leading to unexpected matches above. Pay attention to patterns in how blocks fall, allowing you to anticipate and set up larger plays. Fourth, avoid wasting moves. Aim to maximize the impact of each match you make, and consistent practice is key, as it sharpens your ability to spot opportunities and plan ahead effectively. By incorporating these strategies and staying patient, you'll enhance your gameplay and significantly boost your score in Block Blast. And that's it guys.